Hey, it's William Jumping, and I'm in a hotel using a lamp and just a pencil to practice my drawing. And yeah, I've been super busy traveling and doing projects. But I want to continue to practice my drawing. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm still doing this. So let's continue. I'm going to go for a standing pose. So I'm standing here. Okay, so the head, neck, and then chest area. So this is a pose that really twisted. So she's a really good cosplayer. I'm using a cosplayer as my reference. So going here. So basically go this way. Okay, whole body twisted. Go this way, and this is uneven pelvis. Then a leg going down, maybe let me add some volume by move left or right. Let's go this way. Okay, move up and down, go this way. So there will be a volume here, and then going down. This I'm thinking move left this way, and then it's the the feet. The feet is changing. Okay, so it's right, left, so it's a curve. Okay, I love this pose. Let me change the lighting a little bit. Okay, I got a lamp I just bought. So sorry about that. I have to make it do. I can't set up a studio at whatever place I go. So another leg, she's posing. So another leg is going this way. Okay, of course I need to consider the volume. Going here, approximately at the same level. Okay, going here, but this is more going outside. I'm going to extract in her pose a little bit, so the feet will go this way. Yeah, and then she's holding a sword or something like that. So the hand was going backwards, so you can only see some part of the the hand going here, and maybe she's holding a really big sword, something like that. Or maybe I'm going to extravagant a little bit. Okay, it's a really big sword, and then her arm is moving up. Okay, so it's a really good pose, by the way. I love this. So go up above her head, and then maybe move backwards, something like that. So be something like this. So I love this pose. I think it's a really expressive pose. Yeah, let's quickly finish the sketch. Her head like this. I'm going to make her more a cartoonish. It's kind of ironic because she's a cosplay, which means that everything that she's cosplaying is from anime, and I'm look at a real person, but I then make her more anime, or at least some illustration, something like that. So it's pretty ironic, but I love this practice. I think it's I can practice a style a lot as well. So this is her a chin. In order to make her more anime, so the head and the pointing chin should be more pointing, much more smaller. If you make it really big, it won't cut it. So then this is not her arm, but rather is connecting to the body. So the body will connecting here, going here, then chest area. This should be a basic form inside here. It's chest cage. So this should bulk it a little bit, then connecting the dots. So going inside, and then come to here the pelvis part. Okay, so then connecting dots. So I'm already thinking this front facing pelvis. So you got inside and then outside. So that's what I want, and I'm going to extravagant or just exaggerate a little bit. So going more outside, going down, something like that. This goes for the same way, more inside, and then because it's like a bone, so I'm going to get more outside. Since this is more like go straight down, this is like she's like turning this way, so this should be more exaggerated, more move to another side. Okay, and then so the separation overlap part, so you have to like make a point where that got like a separate. So what I'm going to do is maybe I'm going to like move everything like down a little bit, because I think it's maybe not the good place to like doing the separation. But yeah, let's just practice and try it. You never know unless you actually do this. Okay, so this is like her knees, just a little bit, hint of her knees. There's like a quick mark while you're doing the exam. It's like it's sort of like cheating, but it's not, because we are like artists, so it's not cheating. So I'm going to exaggerate a little bit, like go forward, and then we got like a bone here, so a bone here, another bone here. So then the like move way more forward and much more quickly. So maybe the tongue, something like that. The tongue, she's like moving up, so you got like a show a little bit of the volume. But of course you can like make her wear some shoes, so it will not be just the tongue. Doesn't really matter. Of course you can like choose nude model for your practice. It's much easier for you to get observation correct. But sometimes you can't find it, nude model, or maybe they're like really expensive, so you can't like actually see this or hire this model. So you have to browse internet for it, and sometimes you can like subscribe to some of the service that they have, but yeah, just too rich for my blood. So it's like a quite expensive experience. You have like a really hard time drawing. So because it's like a camera like shooting this way, so everything like will be wider. So I'm going to just have a little bit hint, like going. I think I'm going to be like going way down, and then something like this, because it's like yeah, it's just a hint, and then her hand, maybe I'm going to do some like folding, because she's like actually grabbing something, so it'll be like a folding here, folding finger, 3 fingers, right? That will do. So yeah, just a hint of the arm. You do not necessarily need to actually draw it out. So maybe this will be a some weapon or something like that, she's like a fearsome fighter or something like that. So maybe I'm going to get a hammer, like a cyberpunkish sort of a hammer. So I'm going to quickly do this, like get inside, and then a hammer. Yeah, I don't have enough space for it. Yeah, by the way, yeah, sorry, I don't have enough space for the hammer. So yeah, I could just kind of eyeball this, and hopefully this can work. Okay, I'm going to just quickly get this, and of course here you can just close this. So this will be a weapon that she's like holding and posing. Okay, you got to make it straight. Yeah, I'm making it straight, just approximate making it straight. And of course things like this is like I use this technique for not drawing her another hand, just yeah. And then maybe the hair, something like that. So maybe here, and of course the hair do have volume. Maybe give her like some cute tail like this. So it's like a go back, going here, maybe a little get inside, like a really wacky, super crazy girl. yeah, of course we can do that. So if you don't draw the hair, draw the volume of the hair, like a little bit volume up, like she's like looking stupid. Okay, so I have to like adding a little bit here, up a little bit, yeah. So then maybe like her brow, something like that. Yeah, like look at you. Maybe nose or somewhere here. Yeah, I'm like really bad at drawing this. So just a hint, okay, just a hint, and maybe some here with like a go down, go here, just to make it more like exaggerated, and her hair. Okay, maybe. Okay, I just change her hairstyle a little bit, like going right here, something like that. Just a hint. Okay, that looks pretty good. That's pretty good. And then you can have armor, right? Maybe some breastplate, something like that. Okay, a neck. Got like a bone here, right into. Yeah, that's a bit. Things are like inside. Okay. Of course, you can make it like a super cartoonish, so like a big eye, something like that. Okay, yeah, I messed up a little bit, so yeah, maybe just cover with the hair. Sorry about that. I just forgot to buy eraser, so there's no way to like double tap to make what I draw disappear. So yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, I'm going to cover. Okay, this is like I'm going to cover her eye with something like this. Okay, so it's like she's like totally using her hearing skill for this. Okay, and then you can draw the clothes. Okay, maybe like a super tight clothes, something like that. Yeah, and just some hints on the clothes. Okay. So if it's a character design, you'll be given some like a cyberpunkish or something like that. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through the detail, just a quick practice. And yeah, that looks pretty good. And so basically the chest area so will be like this, like she's like everything this way, and then the pelvis was like this and this, so like go up a little bit, so going inside and then outside. This is more like inside, so it's like a curve, and then here the leg inside and outside. Okay, so this part is more straight, but you have to add a little bit of curve because human do not have like a really straight muscle. Yeah, something like that. So it's basically going this way, like bring this forward because you got a chest, bring this forward, but also this part is most likely is flat but tilted a little bit, so kind of go here, this direction. So that's what I've been practicing. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. I'm going to like zoom it out a little bit. Okay, that's yeah, this was pretty fun. So yeah, thanks for don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up if you want to see more. Okay, and of course you want to see other things, you're more than welcome to leave in the comments and just chat with me. Okay, thanks, bye.